Welcome to the in front of me ASUS Zenfone 9, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first, let's open the settings application and then let's tap on the sounds and vibration. After that, we can see here the ring and notification volume panel, and just to unmute our device ringtone, we should hold and swipe to the right side with our finger. There is blue dot. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just first be sure that in volume button controls you have selected ringtone volume to change the ringtone with the volume buttons. And now just by press to the up, volume down, we can also unmute our device ringtone. And the third way how we can do it, we can just make it manually with our finger by slide to the up this volume panel, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.